Hello, welcome back. Today's look is going to be a little bit different. I know I say that every time, but let's just get into it. So I'm using the Maybelline Master Primer to prime. Next, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match foundation. Now while that's fixing, I'm going to use the Urban Decay eyeshadow potion. Lid on. Clean up the mess. Dry off. Now, I will have this brush. The palette I'm using is the Morphe palette. I'll take them off, put that over there, and that's the palette. Now today I thought I'd do greys, so I'm going to use this one all over the lid. So, chill. On the outside corner, I'm going to, there is no room, use this one. No, this one. Ow, I'll just move back a bit, excuse me. I'll go in with my buffing brush. I'll find one in a minute. This one, and just blend the two together. Doesn't quite look even, does it? Yep. Now, in the centre, I'm going to use this one. Sorry, turn it up the right way. This one on the end. Now to line the waterline, no, I'm not even going to line the waterline. I'm going to take the shadow under, and I will go in again with the fix it. This one, and just take it under the lower lid. Yeah, and blend it without putting it in my eye. Now I'm gonna get a thinner brush. Yep, you'll do. This one. And I'm just going to take the lighter grey. This, oops, sorry. I'm apologising to a mirror. This one. I'm just going to take that into the, blend it in on the inside. Okay. That for the time being. Mascara. I'm using this one, which is the Maybelline Colossal Volume Eyebrows, I'm using the, I think that's the right way out, that one. It's the Rimmel Eyebrow Pencil and the colour is Hazel. And we do another coat of mascara. Actually, I might do the bottom lashes. Okay, under eye is the Maybelline Dream Lumi pen that I've wiped all the writing off. So, next, second coat of mascara on the top lids. Now, going to do something different before I do my bronzer, and that is I'm going to use my NYX Holographic Graphic Halo finishing powder. Hopefully I don't spill it. That's that. Finished with that. Next, bronzer. I'm making a mess down there, it's okay. Blush. And my brush. Oh, sorry, this is my NYX powder blush, and the colour is peach, and the bronzer I used, I'll sit there for a minute, is the MCoBeauty. There it is. I forget sometimes what I'm doing. I'll go in with the blush. Gently on the top. Blend, blend, blend. Now, just to be different, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Cosmetics Baked Highlighter. And all I need to do is get it open. There it is. And the brush. Yep, you'll do. And just gently on the top. And the same with the other side. Gently on the top to bring it all together. Okay, I'm finished with you. Finished with you. Next step, lipstick. And the lipstick I'm using is the NYX Cosmetics, and it is Copper Glow, I believe. That's the name there. And that's the colour. And there you have it. So fix my hair. Wipe my nose. The hair off my face. This is the look. Thanks for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Click on the subscribe button. There you have it.